This
Okay,
conference will now be recorded.
fine. So we are learning about advanced warehouse management. So if it is advanced warehouse management, as I told you, you need to track the details of the material movement inside warehouse. Inside warehouse, the material movement need to be tracked properly. So if you want to track the material movement inside, then it is pick location and put location. One is pick location, another one is put location. That is work. Work will be created. One work will be created, and we need to complete the work. The work will be completed by forklift operators usually. Okay, pick the material from here and put in the inside warehouse. Or if you want to dispatch or if you want to sell these items, then pick the material from here and put it at the shipping area. This is called, in our system, it is called bay door. The shipping area is called bay door. The word it is bay door. So receiving area is RECV, whatever it is there, you can use it, receiving. But whereas shipping, usually in the system, it was used a lot, the word bay door. Okay, so pick the material from inside warehouse and put at the, like I mean to say, keep at shipping area, that is bay door. So work will be created and work should be completed. That is advanced warehouse management or warehouse management process. Okay, so let me show you in the system how to do it, warehouse management process. So if you want to practice with advanced warehouse management, you need to remember one is warehouse should be selected 24, because you are not aware of all the setups. So you need to select warehouse 24. That means site 2 will be selected automatically for practicing purpose. Okay, and then items are released products. Released products, it is A0001 or A0002. These two items are more about setups related to advanced warehouse management. Okay, C001 is C series, C002. These all items are majority non-stocked products. And D001, D002 majority are, it is BOMs, bill of materials. Just for understanding purpose, in the demo data, it was configured in such a way that it is C series is non-stocked product, D series is BOMs, and M001, M002, M series are raw materials. Just for identification, I'm giving you information. It is not like you need to follow like that. In the demo system, it was given like this. So usually whenever we are doing transactions at that time, majority times I'm using item 1000. Item 1000. This is a regular item. Okay, fine. So now for understanding better about advanced warehouse management, remember you need to select warehouse 24 and items A0001 and A0002. Some more items also available, but the best example I'm telling you, these two. So what it is consists, these two, what it is consists, let us understand. So if you go to warehouse 24, inventory management, there are so many setups. Just I'm giving the minimum setups to understand. So if you want to understand warehouse, if you want to create a warehouse, inventory management setup, inventory breakdown, warehouses we are creating. So in this warehouse, if you verify 11 warehouse are normal warehouses. If you scroll down in the last, there is a fast tab warehouse. In this, use warehouse management process is not enabled. Understood? This 11 warehouse management, warehouse tab, use warehouse management process is not enabled. Whereas 24, it was enabled this warehouse management process. So that is the reason I am informing you, like if you want to use advanced warehouse management for the demo data, you need to select warehouse 24. Some more also available, that is different scenario, like suppose 32 or 34. So 32 also it is there, use warehouse management. 34 is also use warehouse management. Fine, 34 only, not 32, 34 only. Okay, so now I'm doing for 24 warehouse 24. For warehouse 24 it was enabled. If you enable this one, warehouse 24, give me a second, it's loading. If for 24 if it is enabled this one, then look at this one inside, location names is disabled. Inside aisle, rack, level, position, example, all these things are disabled. Either one you can use it. So if it is 11 warehouse, then these buttons will be enabled. If you click on edit, it will allow you to enable this aisles or rack, level, position. So for this 24 it will not allow you. 24 it is in edit mode only, but it is not allowing. So either one you can use it, either this one or this one. That is the reason I will use the word, this is warehouse management 1 and this is warehouse management 2. That is my regular, when I'm discussing, when I'm teaching about advanced warehouse management, I will use the word warehouse management 1 and 2. This is 1. Aisles, rack, level, bin, position is warehouse management 1 and this is warehouse management 2. Warehouse management 2 means WMS. The same warehouse, whatever you are looking at inventory management, you can see from here also warehouse management module. From this also you can see warehouse management module, setup warehouses, the same screen, there is no change, the same screen. You can look at this one. Okay, so the only major difference is, as I told you, if it is warehouse management 2 module, I mean to say last module, whatever is there, this is I will call as warehouse management 2. If it is warehouse management 2, if you want to create locations, there are so many setups you need to configure. Locations, location format, location profiles, location types, all these things you need to learn a lot to configure all those things. Whereas warehouse management 1, what I'm telling till now, whatever you have learned, if you want only warehouse management 1, you can create inventory locations from here. One is aisles you need to create, and then you need to create inventory locations. So this aisles and locations will be used a lot in retail industry. In retail industry, it will be used a lot. Look at this one. They will create like this: 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 2 1. What are those locations? Means this is the majorly used in retail industry. Retail industry will not use advanced warehouse management in general. With my experience, either if you go to this one, advanced warehouse management or WMS module will be used in manufacturing and distribution companies, but not in retail, as per my knowledge, because it is a like a very big process you need to follow. In retail industry, they will use warehouse management one. In distribution companies and manufacturing companies, they will use warehouse management two. With my experience, I'm telling you. Fine. So what is this location means? Like 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 2 1 3 1, like 0 1 0 2 1 1, like this. What is the, what are these things means? So if you look at this one, so this is one rack. So how it will be? Row one, this one is aisle, this one is another aisle, this is one, this is two, and one more three, like that it will be there. So for that, and in this 0 1 0 1 0 2, like 0 1 0 1 here, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 2, 0 1 0 1 2 0 2 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 3 0 1, like you can give numbering. That's what here. So how can you give this one? Means, as I informed you earlier, like in this inventory warehouse management, you are going to use this warehouse locations which is available, that is warehouse management one, in this aisle, rack, level, position. So in this 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 2 0 1, like that you can create. So this aisles you can create here. How many aisles are there? Means how many rows the stands available, those aisles can be created here. This is aisles. Okay, here it is aisles you can create. So the positions you can create. So majorly this inventory locations will be used a lot in retail industry or manufacturing industry. Okay, so you have learned about, if it is a storage dimensional group, if it is a storage dimensional group, then we learned site, under site warehouse, under that one location, and then license plate and inventory status. Okay, so inventory status is good or bad items. License plate, we know pallets names. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, location means completely different. If it is warehouse management one, it is different, and warehouse management two is different. If it is warehouse management one, then these are the locations. inventory locations. You can create simple one. If it is warehouse management 2, then location means there is a lot. You need to create location type, you need to create location profile, you need to create location format. I'm sorry, and then you can create locations. This is different format. So location behavior is changing from warehouse management 1 to warehouse management 2. Warehouse management 1 means very simple, straightforward. You can create locations. There is no much complexity. You can create locations. But warehouse management 2 means you need to map so many things. Okay. So now I told you like warehouse should be 24. For advanced warehouse management practice, you need to select warehouse 24. Now A0001, A0002. What is the extra significance for warehouse like A0001 or A0002? Let me go to product information management, products, released products. So A0001, if you go to A0001, this item, so here you will find the storage dimension group WARE, where. If you go inside the storage dimension group, then here it was enabled use warehouse management process checkbox. If you enable this checkbox, use warehouse management process, automatically all these 5 fields will be enabled. Site, warehouse, location, inventory status, license plate. License plate means pallet. So all these 5 are mandatory. Then it is a different process. Okay, understood? Any questions in this one till now? So if you want to practice advanced warehouse management, for practicing purpose, you need to select warehouse 24 and release product A0001 or A0002. These two items, it was mapped relevant information, everything it was mapped. So for practicing purpose, you need to select these two. Okay, I'm proceeding further. Let me know if you have anyone has any confusion, any doubt. Minimum setups, whatever it is there. Now procurement and sourcing module, I'm creating a purchase order. Purchase orders, all purchase orders. If anyone want to discuss, please unmute and let me know. So click on new button. So related to this area, if you are practicing and if you are getting errors, I cannot resolve it because we need to verify so many setups. Only just information purpose, I'm just sharing. Okay, so you need to practice, and if you do, if it is a standard application, it will work properly. If you are doing with some setup changing and coming back, then I need to do so many setups verification, which it is not possible in the sessions. It is a separate course content. Okay, so you can select any vendor. You can select any vendor, no issues. It is either it is US001 or US101 or US105 or 1005. Any vendor you can select, but only warehouse should be 24. Warehouse should be 24. You need to select, click OK. As I told you, warehouse management has so many setups. Okay, it will take minimum to minimum like two months. I will provide training on warehouse management and transportation management. Fine. As I told you, item you need to select A0001. I need to select A0001, A0001, and warehouse is 24. Okay, suppose 50 quantity. I'm doing for 50 quantity. Now I'm doing confirmation. Let me do confirmation. Purchase tab. Let me do confirmation. After this confirmation, I will do product receipt regularly, like the way how we are doing. Actually, the steps are regular old process: purchase order creation, PO confirmation, then actually receipt list is there. Nothing here in the receipt list, nothing will happen. Product like registration, if you want, you can use it. Product receipt, then vendor invoice. Am I right? These are the steps. Any doubt in this? This is warehouse management 1. I will use the word WMS. WMS 1. This is the process. Now we are trying to do warehouse management 2 process. Okay, so I'm proceeding with the same, like let me do product receipt. What happens? Let us verify. I'm trying to do product receipt. So I'm entering product receipt number, some number, and I'm entering the date. Suppose I'm posting this one. Let me see what is the error I'm getting. Okay, I'm getting an error. What is the error? Here, license plate, inventory dimension, location must be specified. Location must be specified. If you map location, it will ask for inventory status. Sorry, license plate. Okay, so in this we made location and license plate mandatory. These are missing. That's what system is throwing error. Okay, so if you are using advanced warehouse management, I need work should be created. So for that, you can go to warehouse tab, load planning workbench. Load planning workbench. So from this, I need to create loads to new load. What is this load? So you are creating loads. What is this load? So I'm selecting container, which container it was came in my premises. Based on that, I can create 20, 20, 10. What is this load actually? Let us understand. See here, There are so much material came in my warehouse. Look at this one. The material came like this. So this all material, can I move at a time, one time or two times or three times? I need to decide. So this one time and this is one time. Understood? I need to take the material from receiving location to my warehouse. Understood? So I'm not sure whether I can get all the material in one shot or maybe two times or three times. That's what you are doing here. All 50 quantity, if you are able to do it, you can create only one load. Otherwise, if you want 25 you can split into 25 then two loads will be created. Understood? Any doubt in this? Load should be created, but this load based on, like in this forklift operator can move the entire stock in one shot. Yes, we can take. Otherwise, you can take like 2-3 loads. You can consider 2-3 loads. Understood? Any confusion here? Like this. So if it is four times, then we need to do it. Then 4 loads should be created. 4 loads should be created. How many? Based on that you are creating. Suppose all I can do it in one shot, then one load I'm creating. I'm creating one load, all 50 quantity. So actually volume or weight is there, that is exceeding the capacity, but I'm proceeding. So it is clearly showing, like you can verify the weight of volumes also in the system. So I'm proceeding, no problem, I'm proceeding. But usually like how many, like suppose 20 quantity one load, another 22 quantity one load, another 10 quantity one load. If you want, you can create like that. So the steps are, first in the D360, like in warehouse management 2, we have created purchase order and confirmed. Then after that, warehouse tab, load planning workbench. In this load planning workbench, create new load. So here, supply and demand, to new load or existing load, you can use the function. So create to new load. Then load will be created. That is the first step. So you are deciding like how many material can take one in one trip. Suppose these are 4 pieces, then I need to take 4 times, then I will create 4 loads. Okay, understood? Based on the material received in the warehouse, I can make it whether it is 1 load or 4 loads or 2 loads or 3 loads. Fine. Okay, now load is created. Against this load we need to create work. Against this load we need to create work. So for that, I'm just opening one more duplicate. You need to open a mobile. Using mobile we can do it. This process is mobile process. So we don't have physical mobile really to do this one. So for that, in the system there are 2 applications. This is whatever I'm opening, this application is old application. New application also given by Microsoft. It is a small add-on tool application. So It is virtual mobile, or it is called mobile emulator. It is called mobile emulator. Give me a second. Action colon WHS work execute. This is the command. If you click on this one, it is indirectly virtual mobile we are opening, because I cannot show from the mobile. In real time scenario, in the client place, you are going to use mobile only. Mobile. So this is a mobile. You will enter username and password 1. Here password is, the password is 1. Okay, are you able to see? So let me write down the notepad. After equal to, you need to write action colon WHS work execute. That is the command. And then you can enter username 24, password. In standard, I'm showing you 1. I have entered this one. Then if you click on login, so how to configure those things? It is a big subject once again. Inside you can go and you can verify. So let me show you that one also, high level picture. Okay, so if you go to warehouse management, there are many setups. So here, warehouse management. So worker, in this worker you will find username and passwords. Username and passwords. And you can map, you need to map mobile device. So in this mobile device, you need to map mobile device menu items. Okay, if you want to understand this module, if you are listening, no use, you need to practice a lot. You need to practice a lot. There are so many mobile, these all are configurable. We are going to configure all the setups in the new company. Fine. So now the first step, inbound process. We are doing inbound process. Purchase receive means inbound process. In this purchase receive, so you need to enter purchase order number. Purchase order number is here. Give me a second. This is purchase order number PO1062. I'm entering this PO1062. Click OK. Then item A0001 we are receiving. Click OK. Then it is showing the description. This is line number 1, and here I'm entering 50 quantity. Click OK. It is processing. So work is, it is not completed, it is created. This is a wrong message. Work is created. So what happens? Against this load, work will be created. If you close this one, so if you look at this one, work is created. One is pick location, receiving location, pick the material and put the location, material location FL001. From where it is means in the system here, location directives is the most important form. It is kind of supervisor. It is a kind of supervisor. So location directive, in this location directive, whatever you have configured, based on this one, it will create a work from pick location receive and put location floor 001. Not only this one, there is one more work template. Work template. Here also it will be there. Work template, purchase order. So pick location and put location, work class ID. There are so many setups you need to understand if you want to understand. So simply for transactions, what I did, give me a second. So we have created a purchase order. We did confirmation. Next, warehouse tab, load planning workbench, create new load. A load is created. Then open mobile device emulator. If it is any spelling mistake, leave it. Mobile device emulator. Then using load, using PO purchase order or load, create a work. Okay. So now work is created. Work is created. Then we need to complete the work. Work need to complete. So if you want to complete the work, then you need to take this work ID. You need to take this work ID, go to mobile device, inbound process, purchase put away. This is put away. Put away means the actual task. Put away means take the material from here and put inside. That is put away. So receiving material to receiving location to floor location FL001. That's what we have configured inside. So you can scan this one. Look at this one. In real time scenario, we will scan it. We will scan this one. So now we don't have scanner and all those things. That is the reason I'm copy pasting this work class ID. Work ID, I'm sorry, work ID. But in real time scenario, it will be scanned by delivery boys. That is forklift operators. Click OK. They will scan it. Simply they will scan. Click OK. Pick the location from RECV and complete done. If it is completed, done. Then put location FL001. Click OK. So this action is done by forklift operator. Forklift operator. Work is completed. So they have picked the material from receiving location. We have given that location name, receiving location, and put the material inside the warehouse. Okay. So that is completed. That is completed. Now against this work, load is created. Against load, work is created. Load and work, you are clear, because first we have created load. Okay, now I can do confirm shipment. So it is in process. Load is in process. Now I can do confirm inbound shipment. It is not mandatory. If you do it, it is shipped means it was came inside, and you can do product receipt. So product receipt number is coming automatically with load number. With load number, it is coming automatically. You can enter the date if you want and click OK. So product receipt is getting updated. So once work is completed, then product receipt can be posted against load, or you can use purchase order also. From the purchase order also you can do it, or from the load. From the load or from the purchase order, you can do product receipt. From either one, you can do it. Okay, product receipt is updated. Fine. Now let me close this form. Let me close this work. Then purchase order will be shown. Purchase order will be shown. So if you look at this one, product receipt is updated. If you refresh, product receipt is updated. Then invoicing is a regular process. Normal process, invoicing. So you can enter the invoice number, whatever it is there, and invoice number, and then invoice date. We enter update match status, past. Then you can post. Totals will be verified and post button will be executed. Okay, invoice is posting. So let me show you. In warehouse management 1, we are doing receipt list and then registration. In this, receipt list means work creation. Registration means work completion. During this work completion, inventory status will be changed to picked. Here also inventory status will be changed. If you remember, if you want, you can revisit my video. Inventory status. Change it to picked. Understood? Any confusion, any doubts, any questions, please? Can anyone unmute and let me know whether you are able to hear my voice at least? Anyone unmute and let me know whether you are able to hear my voice, please? At least no one is sleeping in the morning. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Satya.
Yes, Satya.
Fine. So if you want, I will show you one more step, one more process, same one more time I will show you. Let me do quickly one more time for understanding purpose. I'm clicking on new button. Selecting the vendor. Any vendor is fine. Any vendor is fine, but only warehouse should be 24. Click OK. So item 8001 or 8002, any item you can select, because this item is mapped with advanced warehouse management. So you can enter the quantity. So as usual, you are doing confirmation. We are doing confirmation. And if you are trying to do product receipt, it will throw error message related to location and license plate. Location and license plate should be mapped, but I'm not mapping. If you map it, it will allow you to post. That is different scenario. Okay, I don't want that one. I want warehouse management function. So I'm going to this warehouse tab, actions, load planning workbench. Load planning workbench. I'm creating a new load, supply and demand to new load, or if you want existing load, you can use it. That is different function. So I'm using to new load. So select the like container. So 40 inches container or 20 inches container, you can select whatever the container size. That is truck came, whatever it is there, and how many quantity you want to make it one load, you can select. I'm making only one load for entire 20 quantity. So load is created. Against purchase order, load is created. Against this load, I'm creating work. That is inbound process. Inbound process. Purchase receive. Enter the purchase order number. Click OK. Sorry, the purchase order number is here. I have entered load ID. Actually, there are multiple options. That multiple options you will understand later. Even if you want, you can enter load ID also. Okay, I'm entering this one. Okay, item A0002. Now I have selected A0002. Click OK. If by mistakenly, if I entered more than received quantity, it will throw error message. It will throw error message. Cannot over received. We cannot receive over delivery, under delivery, it was not mapped. So out of 20, it is I'm trying to receive 25. It will not allow you to receive. So I need to enter 20 quantity, maximum quantity only. If you enable over delivery, under delivery, it will create. Now work is created against this load. You can go to from here also related information, work details. Work is created. So this is 318. Work is created. Pick the material from location RECV and put the material in FL001. That is the setup configured in the location directive. In the location directive, it was configured. Now forklift operators, they will scan material. They will scan the material using the mobile, but we are entering manually. Click OK. So it is there. Pick location. Picking the material from receiving location. License plate. It was created during load creation. License plate was created automatically. That license plate you need to select. Click OK. And you need to click on done. If it is work is completed, done. then you need to click on put. So put location FL001. Okay, now work is completed. Look at this one, work is closed. Now against this work, if you close this one, you can find this load. Even if you click on load, this is the load and it is in process. If you click on inbound shipment, means it was received, shipped. Okay, next product receipt. You can click on product receipt. So product receipt number is updated and the date, that is document date, you can enter and click OK. So product receipt is getting updated, posted. Now you can close this form. And once again, you can close this form. Now purchase order is available. 163 purchase order number. So if you refresh, product receipt is already updated. If you want, you can do from product receipt from here also. From purchase order also you can do it. But the best practice is that one only, because we are doing load completion. From the load we can do product receipt. Now invoicing. Generate area page, invoice button. So more steps means work creation, work completion. Those steps are extra steps if you are using advanced warehouse management. If you are using advanced warehouse management, then you need to have more steps. Any questions? Anyone has any doubts? Update mass status, past and post. This is advanced warehouse management. Using advanced warehouse management PO process, that is WMS2. It is my own word, WMS2, but usually people will use like advanced warehouse management. So in the same manner, sales process yesterday, like tomorrow I will show you. Tomorrow I will show you sales order process also. But there are so many setups you need to configure. About, if you want to understand, you need to set up a lot. Okay, so this is actually advanced warehouse management and transportation management. Of course, it is two modules, small only, but there are many setups you need to understand. If you want to understand this one, there is a lot of setups. Advanced warehouse management, this is warehouse management under transportation management. Okay, invoice is completed. Tomorrow I will show you about sales order process. Tomorrow I will show you sales order process. Any quick questions? Any confusion? I know it is too early to understand about this application. I mean to say advanced warehouse management. You need to learn a lot if you want to really showcase as you have experience on advanced warehouse management, means you need to learn a lot. Fine. Any more questions, please? So try to join by sharp 6 a.m. every day. Try to join by sharp 6 a.m. So in a couple of days, I'm going to complete the sessions. Maybe like Jan first week, it may be completed, or it may be extended plus or minus 1 or 2 days. Okay, so if you have any doubts, come back to me. You need to practice more, and come back to me if you have any issues, any errors, so that I can give you clarifications. After completion of the session, I cannot help you on explaining the basic setups. So if you are pinging in the WhatsApp group, anyhow, I have already created a WhatsApp group. In that, I will add you, all of you, and like one more, I think majority it was added, or if not, I will add it to you in that group. And one more, like Telegram group also there, because in WhatsApp it is allowed up to 250. Already it is in one WhatsApp group, it is 225 members are there, and another WhatsApp group, it is around 70 members are there. Okay, so that's why I have added Telegram. In Telegram, it is n number of people are available to add. So like in the WhatsApp group, I hope it was added. Am I right? All of you? Am I? Whether I have added you or not? Let me
Satya, good morning,
verify.
Satya.
Good morning.
There are two WhatsApp group. We are having one logistics where WhatsApp group, and another is uh,
It's
finance
it's
and
not. No, it's not like one is T&L, one is finance. It is actually already it was in one group. It was completed full. So that is the reason I'm not able to add some more people.
okay.
So let me verify, Magesh, whether I have added you in. Yeah, I have added you in two group. Yeah, everyone I have added. Please let me know if anyone is not added in the group. So like warehouse, I mean to say Satya team 2. I have added into team 2. Okay. So in team 1 I cannot add, but it is already exhausted many people. So I have added in team 2 now. Okay, rather than that one, if you are in Telegram, I will add in the Telegram. Otherwise I will ping once again Telegram group in like team in the WhatsApp group. Please join that one, so that mutual help, it is mutual help. If you have any problems or any concerns, any issues, you can raise in that one, so someone from our team members will respond. Majority are my students only. Of course, in Telegram, outside people also joining, but majority in WhatsApp groups, it is my students only. 90% my students, 90 to 95%. So 4-5 members, I'm adding consultant people, because if any requirements are there, consultancies can post their requirement in the group. That is the reason I'm adding 4-5 members, around 4 to 5 members or 10 members in that group. Not learned from me. Majority people are my students only. Okay, fine. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. IST. See you all. Bye bye.